Namaskardom, and hello to everyone who is watching this video right now. This is Charni Kropi, your former Miss KYF 2022. I'm so honored, humble and grateful to be telling you all that the oldest ethnic festival of India is back with its 49th edition, the Karbi Youth Festival, starting from 15th to 19th of February 2023 at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. So are you all excited to witness the beauty of culture and the traditions of Karbi Anglong? There is another exciting news to all the pageantry fans all across Karbi Anglong that the new edition of Miss KYF is back, and it's bringing along surprises like collaboration with KCS, Jagweasong NGO, and Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast. The winner and the runners-up of this new edition of Miss KYF will get direct entry to Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2024. So ladies, what are you waiting for? Grab this opportunity and make it yours. The mega audition is on 11th of February at Hotel Hempi, Birla from 10:30 a.m. onwards. The selected participants will get to perform in the finale night on 18th of February at Sensonsin Tiachetay. Thank you so much.
Aprang sini nalitum kadoko ya pan nilihin pe ningkang sama kardom pejriglo kardom nilimen samyanushka tironpi nilikadamtang surihinira inkora hiniani kanalong Miss Karbi Festival adun tu kaibang pilo laban Miss Best Personality ta London iglo nilitum kadoko ya pan isi kimisana brita lang pachining tum laki aning kanwa son thotsi pinge thotstami Karbi judang songpen Jagweasong NGO tum patri piponsi Miss Karbi Festival kuthot bipontribo. Vision ke thang chiklo ni pai krisi arni hotel hempilo bachike ba porpensi pangching poniji. Lasunin ke hamba pitum an chipadin ikta ni grand finale ke thang chiklo ni pai kriner kep adusi bipon ikpo. Kardom.